Hey guys, it's Courtney with the Kitchen Garten, and I have a little craft for you today, all about indoor plants, of course. And my son does fundraisers once a year where they sell popcorn, and we usually get it in the big tin, the 3 different types of popcorn. What do you do with those tins when you're done with them? Small tins, big tins, it doesn't matter. Usually those big popcorn tins have a nice curry or knives winter theme, and so you can really only bust them out at Christmas time or in the winter. So I've taken one that we've had for about 4 years and used it to create a natural fiber planter that I can keep inside. It wouldn't actually put soil in this, but as long as your plant is contained in a separate planter, you can set it inside. Natural fiber is huge right now, and all you need is a tin, which you can get one from your local Scouts if they're still selling it, or from a thrift store probably, and some sisal roping, which you can get at any big box hardware store like Lowe's. So grab that and a little patience and a hot glue gun, and we'll see how it's done.